First food review video. Alright. Here we go. This is the double bacon rancher from Whataburger. The double bacon rancher. Okay, oh my god. Oh my god. From Whataburger. Oh, that is a big one. I'm kidding. And to make it up, I got a honey barbecue chicken strip sandwich and some fries with ketchup. We're also going to be reviewing the prickly pear raspberry drink. Saw it on TV. First thing from Whataburger to ever get a jingle. Alright, let's get the ketchup on. Also, I don't have a stand right now, so you're going to have to see me get stupid ketchup on. Alright. Let's try this thing, shall we? It's good. Let's get a fry in. Then, alright. Even though it's focused on two things, I don't care. I'm going to eat one of my favorite Whataburger items. The honey barbecue chicken strip sandwich. No sauce. Alright. To be honest, I hate fruity drinks. Well, most of them because of the seeds in them. Let's see how this is. Yes! It is good, dude. Oh my god. No way. I think Whataburger advertised that as a morning thing, but I don't care. Anyways, that's good. Yeah, I'm good. For the burger, I'll give it a 7.5. It's good. I mean, it's okay. For my honey barbecue, oh yeah, I'm not gonna review that. And for the prickly pear, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. It's good. Anyways, thanks for watching. Bye.